This video made possible by Buy Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to show you how to add or remove a contact from a Samsung Galaxy S10. So you want to open up your apps, just swipe up from the center there and look for contacts. It's this orange one with a little person. And in this case, on this phone, we have 0 contacts. So just go to the plus sign on the bottom right here and you can add one, and let's add it to the phone, set as default. So let's put in some info. And you can, of course, adjust the type of phone number it is, etc. You can also put in work information, job title, department, company. You can put in email addresses. You can put in more than one email address, of course. And then you can also assign them to different contact groups, so like coworkers, friends, etc. And when you're done with all that, don't forget you can also put in a photo. So we can either put in like a default one, or we can go to our gallery, or if you're standing with a person, you can actually just take a photo with the camera. But let's just go to the gallery and pick a photo that we took recently of the penguin and adjust it, and done. And now when this person calls you, that picture will pop up. So let's save Joe Blow here. So now that's what the saved contact looks like. You can see the call history, etc. You can call them with FaceTime or whatever. And you can also have some options here to delete them. So if you want to delete a contact, you can just do that. And you can also block them if you want to. And I guess link to another contact, so you can merge contacts, or you can move them to a secure folder if it's like your mistress or something. So anyway, that's the basics. You can also edit them, and you can share the QR code if you want to share the information with other people. So, and then you can also share it through the VCF or text. So text should just be whatever, an email with that information in it. So there you can edit it as well. So that's how you create and then edit a contact. And of course, as I said, you can just delete it by going up to here and click and delete. There's one other shortcut to reach the contacts. If you go to the phone and open it up, you can actually see the contacts here that you've had. So if you click on this one, now you can also edit it or delete it. There's also one other shortcut to reach the contacts. If you just go to the phone and then you look here, there's a tab for contacts. And if you want to edit that one, just click here, click the information icon, and then now I can edit it. And there's actually one other thing that we didn't mention. There's view more, and that gives you a bunch of extra things like phonetic name, nickname. You can put in their home address, important dates, birthdays, etc., website, and then also, this is the really important one, the vibration pattern as well as the default ringtone. And why is that important? So let's say you put in your boss and you put a custom ringtone in. You'll know before you even look at the phone your boss is calling you, just based on either the vibration tone or the ringtone. So that's pretty cool. You can just click here and choose one of the default ones, or you can add one, of course, as well through the plus menu. So we'll skip that for this video, but that's basically how you add a custom ringtone to a specific contact. Okay, so that's it for today. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Definitely check out other videos for the Samsung Galaxy S10 and many other popular phones here on Howtechs. Thanks, bye. This video made possible by buymobile.com.au. Card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. If you guys can see that. There's also